I got a package in the mail, y'all. They put MyTee Products in me. So this load is 45,000 pounds. So what strap do y'all think I'm gonna trust to secure this load? Of course, y'all guessed it, MyTee Products. Let's put some straps on this and see if she holds up. Go to MyTee, MyTee Products.com. In all of my videos, click on that link and you'll get 10% off a $250 purchase. They have plenty of products, whether it's for flatbed, step deck, Conestoga, reefer, dry van, you bed buggers out there, you guys that haul moving equipment. They have it all. And they're the only ones I trust to secure any of my loads and get them from point A to point B safely.